Today I'm going to show you how to set up a netvibes page so that you can access the teacher blogs published by Shanghai American School. The first thing you should do is go to the internet and type in the address of www.netvibes.com. It doesn't matter if the language comes up as Chinese or as English, both will work the same way. The next thing you'll want to do is to go to the middle of the screen and click the green button saying sign up now, it's free. Then you will type in your email address and password. I will go ahead and do that now. Agree to the terms, and then you can sign up. Now the first thing that I like to do is to go ahead and create an SAS tab. You'll see 3 tabs here. I'm actually going to go back and delete those later because I'm not going to be using them. If you press the plus button right here, that lets you add a tab. I'm going to go ahead and call that SAS. Now I have a blank page that I can go ahead and add feeds to. But before I do that, I'm going to go delete these 3 tabs. You can do that by clicking on the tab, going to the arrow, clicking the arrow button, and then going all the way down to the right and pressing the delete button. Confirm that you want to delete that tab. Do that for each tab that you would like to delete. Now you can go ahead and start adding feeds for your netvibes page. I will always have an updated list on which teachers are blogging on my website, or you can go to the Middle School Pudong website to locate some of your child's teachers. I think I will go ahead and do that now. I'll open up a new tab and I'll type in the address of teachers.saschina.org/MS Pudong. MS Pudong is the middle school address. If it was an elementary address, I would say ES Pudong. If it was a high school address, I would say HS Pudong. Now if you look over here on the left-hand side, you will see the different blogs that are available. First, I think I'll go to the 7th grade humanities blog. Let's say I have a child in 7th grade. I know that they have Mr. Cole as a teacher. I'll click on that, and it will open up his page. Now when you do that, you very simply go up to the address, and you highlight it by clicking on it, and then you copy it. Once you copy it, you go back to your netvibes page. When you're at your netvibes page, go to the left-hand corner where it says Add Content and go ahead and click that button. When you do that, go all the way down to this right here where it says Add a Feed. Once you add a feed, you'll go ahead and paste the address in of the blog and click the Add Feed button. Give it a minute and it will actually go out to the blog, verify that that is the correct address, and then it will come back and ask you if that's the blog that you really would like to put into your netvibes page. It doesn't matter which one you choose. I usually just choose the first one that comes up. When that comes up, click that button, that first button you see, and then another window pops up saying Add to my page. I'll click the green button where it says Add to my page. And when you'll do that, you'll see in this left-hand corner that Old King Cole is added right there. So you have Mr. Cole as a teacher. Now you can do that with every single one of the teachers that your child has. Now, the teachers.saschina.org site is always going to be standard. The teacher's name then comes after the saschina.org. Also in the 7th grade team, I know that Miss McDade blogs. So I'm going to type in her name. It's first initial, last name. If you don't know your child's teacher's first names, like I said, just go to the Middle School Pudong website or my website at teachers.saschina.org/ADCardi, and I will always have a list of the teachers that are blogging. Now notice I didn't have to go to Add Feed again. I just went ahead and I typed in J. McDade, and then I can go ahead and press Add Feed. It will then go out and search for that blog. And again, when it comes up, you'll just choose the button, and then you can go ahead and add that to your page. Now, I've just added 2 right here as an example for you. So you can add all of your child's blogs, all of your teachers' blogs. You can also add the blog for your child. Right now I'm going to close that out so I can show you what you see for your netvibes page. You can go back, type in your title there, my netvibes page, or something more creative than that. And then you'll see that you have 2 of your child's teacher's blogs up here and running. And basically every time they update, it will show right here. That way you don't have to go to each of the blogs and see if they've updated that information. If I look at Old King Cole's Castle, it says your research papers format. You can go ahead and click on that, and then it will bring up that blog entry so that you don't have to go to the website. I hope that this netvibes page is useful to you. If you have any questions at any time, please drop into the middle school lab and visit me, Amanda DiCardi, and I'll help you get it set up. Thank you, and have a great day.